This video will show you the best way that you can copy a table from Claude to Word. So once you've generated your table, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click on download file and then download this HTML file to your computer. Once you've got it downloaded, open a new tab and then type convert HTML to CSV. Once you've done that, look for this website here or any other website for that matter. I'm going to use convertcsv.com. Then click choose your file and then click choose file again and then upload the file that you've just downloaded. You'll then be able to see the data of that file. What we can do now is we can generate the output, and I'm going to choose HTML to Excel, and then we can go ahead and open this. Once you've got this open in Excel, just make sure that all the formatting is good. So double click on the cells here so the formatting is going to be good. Then click on the table. Hold down Ctrl A on the keyboard, which will select it all. You can then right click and copy. Now we can get this into Word. So open up Microsoft Word, click on New Blank Document. Then you can right click here and then paste. What I would do is paste using destination styles, so the second one here. And then you've essentially got your table inside of Word. Again, you can go ahead and change the formatting of this, and you can drag these cells as needed.